Papaya juice is a delicious drink that can be enjoyed by most people. Papayas are rich in enzymes, vitamin C, and beta-carotene, which makes the fruit an excellent source of antioxidants. Papayas contain papain, a proteolytic enzyme that helps break down proteins to aid digestion. Papaya juice also contains digestive enzymes that help support healthy stomach acid levels to keep your body running efficiently. Here are 5 benefits of papaya juice for your body. There are many benefits of drinking papaya juice daily. Some include: papayas provide your body with antioxidants to help protect against free radical damage that can lead to cancer and other chronic diseases. Papaya contains a high amount of digestive enzymes which helps support healthy stomach acid levels. Papaya juice helps relieve constipation by stimulating the digestive system to produce more bile. Papaya contains a special enzyme called papain, which breaks down proteins and aids digestion. This may also help with weight loss as less protein is wasted in your body when you consume it. Papayas are rich in vitamin C and beta-carotene. Papayas are an excellent source of antioxidants. Papaya, made from the fruit of a tropical plant native to Mexico, is one antioxidant powerhouse full of vitamins A and C. Papayas also provide your body with enzymes that help break down proteins to aid digestion. Papain, support healthy stomach acid levels, pepsin, hydrochloric acid, and relieve constipation by stimulating the digestive system to produce more bile. Papayas are also rich in beta-carotene, which is a powerful antioxidant that can help fight off free radical damage that leads to cancer.